Did you know that from the 1st of January 2049, construction sites have to be registered electronically? All works have to be registered at the Social Security Office via their online services. This is a contradiction to till the end of 2013, because this was then done via the Unique Site Declaration. So they go online now. In that search of administrative simplification, the several declarations have been replaced with a single registration formula. Now you can ask yourself, for who is this applicable? Well, it's in fact up to the contractor, I should say the main contractor, designated by the client to register his subcontractors and his construction site. But under certain conditions, the subcontractors have the possibility to see how the registration has been done. They can ask for data. Also important to know is that there will be the one registration done per construction site. And after this registration process is done, the contractor can in fact print out his document and he can make it public on his proper construction site. So that was a bit. If you want to know more on the subject, you can still take contact with the Social Security Office. Here are the data, and I hope everything goes well on your construction site. Goodbye.